Lima's first trip to the airport. We have many lucky dogs at their homes, and we're just doing a practice round with her. And she's doing great. Look at that loose tail right in the middle. And all these strangers, dogs, people are really loud. And she's doing really well and being really, really well behaved too. Letting strangers pet her. So this is Lima here. She's so beautiful, Lima. Good girl. Look at that. Nice middle tail. Okay, with all these dogs, strangers, all volunteers, all meeting, and here's a little baby. Look at that, nice. Good Lima, very gentle and well behaved. That was sweet.